Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs with Subham. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for software engineer job as an entry level, so you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. So let's go and start the video. So this is the page of Advera and it's a hiring for software engineering engineer for location will be Bangalore. So let's talk about this job description, roles and responsibilities. So develop web-based system build using Ruby and Rails of multi-trail environment of including working with the front end component, business logic, workflow logic, back end system, as well as integration endpoints. Develop and user interface build using Vue.js and other browser based on the technology with the focus on usability, security, and cross-functional component of the performance, and determine of operational feasibility through the analysis, problem definition, requirement gathering, solution develop, and solution process. And all these things we have to know. And those who have done a bachelor's degree of information system or computer science engineering or related discipline can apply. Experience with Ruby, Rails, and object-oriented programming technology like Python, Java, Objective C, C++, and etc. can apply. Experience using relational database writing SQL and skills that Ruby, Rails, SQL, object relational mapping, and HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and all these things you have to know. And all these things you have to know and how to apply for the job. So you have to just click here, apply now, and the application page will open. So you can go and check about this. Move to the next job. Next job is coming from Zoho, and it's hiring for digital marketing analyst for India location. So let's talk about this job description. So manage Google Awards of campaigning of improve returns of investing of generate report, develop performance metrics of provide recommendation and continuous review camping strategy and understanding of data and arrive of decision based of the web ethics and data generates project reports and manage such search engine and optimize a new a few product and generate report. And all these things you have to know and how to apply for the job. So you have to just click here, I am interested, and the application page will open. So you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job. Next job is coming from Genpact, and it's hiring for Java full stack, and they are hiring for Noida location. So let's talking about this responsibility. So collaborate with the front end developer for other team member of establish objective of craft more functional cohesive codes of improve user experience, develop and leads idea of new program product and features of monitoring industry development and the trends, principle of contributing education of training and current stand of methodology. And all these things you have to know. And those who have a minimum qualification of BA or BS degree of related subject or matter of equivalent experience can apply. And proficiency of multitasking of protective work responsibility, and all these things you have to know. And a strong core Java background of experience of collaborative multi-threading, Spring, boot web and service microservice, and all these things you have to know and how to apply for the job. So you have to just click here, apply now, apply online, and the application page will open. So you can go and check about this. So in this video we have talked about the 3 different job role, what is the job role and how to apply for the job. And if you are looking for this job role, so you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन देन आस्क इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, आई विल हेल्प यू. सो थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग टिल द गुड बाय.